What's up?
His hand's just a little wonky.
Oh, his hand's wonky. Oh, you're missing a pinky. You're missing a digit there, huh?
Fireworks.
Oh, fireworks. Oh, wow. Right on time. Hey, guys, 4th of July is around the corner. And that's why I invited this man to our show. This is a PSA. We'll give it up for Lefty over here. This guy draws a f***ed up turkey. Ever see him draw a turkey? All right, let's do one more joke and then we'll move on. Let's do one more. And what's your name, bud?
Ian.
Ian?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, bud.
One letter for every finger. It used to be Brian.